Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV you're watching. Welcome to English News Broadcast with me Barsa Batakhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations continue. Nationals in Italy celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Gazan people question the purpose of US-built float pier. And heavy rain triggered flooding causes swelling water levels in Guangxi, China. On your domestic reports, heads of state and government from the People's Republic of China, Republic of India, Republic of South Korea, Kingdom of Morocco and the Republic of South Africa have extended their congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. President Xi Jinping of the People's Republic of China, President Draupadi Murmu of the Republic of India, President Yoon Suk Yeol of the Republic of South Korea, King Mohammed VI of Morocco, and President Cyril Ramaphosa of the Republic of South Africa expressed their well wishes for the good health of President Isaias Afwerki and for peace and prosperity for the Eritrean people. They also conveyed their country's readiness to enhance strong ties and cooperation with Eritrea. In their messages on behalf of their people and governments, President Xi Jinping and President Draupadi Murmu expressed their confidence that the relationship between their countries and Eritrea will continue to strengthen further in the spirit of mutually beneficial cooperation. President Xi Jinping noted that Eritrea's stance in firmly opposing hegemony and power politics will play a significant role in safeguarding international fairness and justice, as well as promoting regional peace and security. Furthermore, President Xi Jinping stated that the friendly relations and sincere mutual cooperation between China and Eritrea are developing a solid foundation for creating a strategic partnership. Eritreans across 6 cities in Italy commemorated the 33rd anniversary of Eritrea's Independence Day with events filled with patriotic fervor under the theme Peace Anchored on Resilience. Celebrations took place in Milano, Verona, Napoli, Palermo, and Pisa, featuring a range of cultural and artistic performances, narrations, and sports competition. In Milano, in which a number of Eritreans and Friends of Eritrea took part, Mr. Takhlasembet Imam, Eritrea's Consul General in Milano, highlighted the profound sacrifices made for independence. Mr. Takhlasembet emphasized that the people and government of Eritrea have triumphed over numerous adversities, solidifying their unity and resilience. Italian Friends of Eritrea also extended congratulations to the Eritrean government and people. The celebrations also saw awards presented to winners of various competitions, recognizing their contributions to the festive spirit of the day. Similar festivities occurred in Johannesburg and Durban, South Africa, where Eritreans engaged in cultural and artistic programs that reflected the significance of the day. Mr. Saleh Umar, Eritrea's ambassador to the Republic of South Africa and South African countries, spoke on the profound implications of the day for the Eritrean community. Additionally, Eritreans in Jazan, Saudi Arabia, celebrated this significant day on 10 May with similar zeal and enthusiasm, underlining the enduring theme of peace anchored on resilience. On your last local report, training on mathematics and English language was provided to elementary school teachers in the Massawa subzone. The training was organized by the branch office of the National Teachers Association and the Northern Red Sea Region Administration. At the concluding event of the training on 19 May, Mr. Usman Saleh, head of the Teachers Association branch, said that the association has been striving to improve the livelihoods of the teachers as well as in strengthening their capacity with a view to develop the teaching-learning process. Mr. Ismail Saleh, head of Education Office in the subzone, also called on the trainees to apply the training they received in the development of teaching-learning process. According to reports, similar training programs have been organized to elementary school teachers in Nafa and Afabet subzones. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. Some residents in Gaza City question the need and real purpose of building a temporary maritime pier by the United States, which claimed it is for facilitating aid delivery. The United States announced last Friday that trucks carrying humanitarian aid had reached the coast of the Gaza Strip through the floating maritime port it had constructed. On Sunday, vessels transporting aid supplies in the distance could be seen from the seaside of Gaza port. According to the U.S. estimates, the floating pier's initial shipping capacity is expected to be 90 tons per day and will later reach 150 tons. In this regard, the United Nations and relevant aid agencies said that the process of transporting humanitarian aid through a floating pier is cumbersome, and the transportation volume is far from meeting the needs of the Gaza Strip. On today's final report, heavy rainfall in South China's Guangxi-Sichuan Autonomous Region has caused swelling water levels in many rivers since Saturday, ranging from 1 to 6 meters. According to local authorities, 6 small and medium-sized rivers, including Sitan River, Xun River, Qinlong River, have recorded flood levels exceeding the warning levels by 0.31 to 1.68 meters. Cities including Nanning, Beis, Guilin, and Fanchenggan have issued flood warnings accordingly. Local authorities have also urged residents to remain cautious and take necessary measures to prevent and mitigate potential disasters such as floods, mudslides, and landslides that could be triggered by heavy rainfall. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations continue. Nationals in Italy celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Gazan people question the purpose of U.S.-built float pier. And heavy rain triggered flooding causes swelling water levels in Guangxi, China. The viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.